This is Africa Media 247. My name is Royal King. Today we are over here to support Mfantse. Yesterday was phenomenal. Yesterday was extravaganza for the dinner dance raising and fundraising in Dallas. Mfantse DFW 2022. Mfantse is helping an orphanage organization back home in the central region. Today I have Mr. Eric Eshon over here. He's the president, people's lover. He's over here. We're going to have one or two conversations, one or two chats. Mr. Eric, thank you so much for having you. I'm happy. Anytime I see you, it's something different happen. Anyway, how you doing today?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Good. Yesterday, the dinner dance and the fundraising was, very, it was very good. What is Mfantse?
Well, we are an organization that supports our members in times of need, and also whenever they need anything that's going on in their life, we step by them and support them.
Okay.
And mostly had to do with any, usually health reasons, or even someone passes away, we are there to support our members.
Okay, what about if someone is having like a wedding or something going on?
Oh yes, if you're having a wedding, you have a baby, you have a kid that graduates from high school, college, all of it, we are there to be part of the celebration. Anything going on, your birthdays, milestone birthdays, 50th, 40th, any of those celebrations. Any celebration, good or bad, we are there to support you. We are a family.
Very good. We are family. I like that. We are there to support you. Anyway, yesterday at the dinner dance, there was a fundraising that was going on.
Yes.
And I just want us to get a clear understanding what is going on, what was going on, and what is going on right now. Can you give us a clear understanding?
Sure. Yes. So, excuse me. We're not just about us. We take care of. One of our goals is to give back to our roots. So to give back to our roots, a few years ago, one of our members went to visit his elementary school, primary school in Ghana. It was in a very bad shape. He came and told us about it. We went and supported. We started the renovation, got them new furniture, new books, and all that. And after we did that, a church took over. Okay. So now it's become the envy of the region.
Okay.
Now, for our 30th anniversary, we decided that we want to help some more. So we found an orphanage called Rafiki Satellite Village, Methodist Rafiki Satellite Village, and they are in Winneba, central region of Ghana. See, our focus is to support, all our focus is to be in the central region. We are Fantis, so that's where we want to focus our energies. There are other groups that focus on other parts of Ghana, so we've taken the central region as our area of support. So Rafiki Satellite Village is a place that takes care of children, of from babies all the way up to the time they go to university or go and learn a trade. And these babies can be, one thing I learned is that in Ghana there are some tribes who actually don't like, there's a taboo to have a twin or triplets. So when they have these triplets, they just throw them away in the dumpster. So Rafiki goes and rescues these children and takes care of them from babies all the way till they go to university or trade school. Not only that, it started because there's a part in Afram Plains that they use children to go and fish.
Okay.
When the children drown or something happens to them, they just use them as bait to fish, to do some more fishing.
Okay.
So they started rescuing these children to start this orphanage. And then, as a result of that, now it's grown. Currently they have about 60 children. The capacity that they have is really for 50. They have room to grow to 100, but they can only do 60 at a time. So our goal is to help them to reach the full potential of 100 children at any given time. Not only that, but also to set them up in a way that they can continue to grow, because the school that they have on their campus actually supports the whole area. Children from the whole area go to school there. And then the boarding house is for the orphans who live on the campus.
Yeah. So Mfantse DFW, how many members you guys have?
Currently we have 95 members.
95?
Yes.
And everybody patronize, do what they're supposed to do.
Yes.
And my question is just like, unless you're from central region, Ghana, that you can be part of Mfantse, or like anybody can be part of it?
Oh, no. We are open.
Okay.
My wife is a Ghana. Other tribes from Ghana are members.
Okay.
Not only that, we have members who are from Sierra Leone. We have a member from Liberia.
Okay.
We have a member from Nigeria. We have members who are Americans.
Okay.
So it's open to everybody. Just so long as you come and you realize that we promote the Mfantse culture and we support the central region.
Okay.
That's our focus. Okay. So long as you're willing to work with us in that regard, you're welcome to be a member.
You're welcome to be a member. Give it back to your root, which is Ghana, Central Region. I like that. So in case somebody wants to reach out to Mfantse Mwoko to support so that we can give it back to our roots, what do I supposed to do to reach out to you?
Or you can reach out to me personally. My personal phone number is 214-914-1976. We also have an Mboa phone number, which is 469-739-0499.
Okay.
You can call out either of those two numbers. You can reach out to us, and someone will respond to you. We also have a Facebook, which excuse me, Facebook is Mfantse Mboa DFW, or you can email us as well. It's Mboa_ku@yahoo.com. It's MBOA_KUW@yahoo.com. Any of those contacts, you can reach out to us, and we will be glad to reach back out to you and get you involved.
Very good. Let's support Mfantse Mwoko. Give it back to your roots, which is very, very important. Rafiki organization, Rafiki Orphanage Home, located in Central Region, Ghana. We are in the diaspora. Why don't we support our home? Why don't we give it back to our root, which is very important. I like the banner. I like the title. As Mr. President, what should we expect from you years ahead of us?
Well, this coming year, we'll continue to support our members, give them everything that we can do to support them in various areas of their life. The other thing we want to do this year around is to try to reach out, encourage our kids to also embrace our culture. Okay. So that's something that when you're in America, the children don't tend to embrace our culture very well. That's something that we're going to be working on more this coming year to get also our children involved in it as well.
Thank you so much. That was Mr. Eric Eshan, the president of Mfantse Mwoko DFW. Let's support it. Give it back to your roots. It's very, very important. My name is Roy Akin from Africa Media 247. Thank you for watching. Stick and stay with us. I'll be right back.
Okay, hold on. Can I have the little girl, please? I need her to draw the first raffle for me. The future First Lady of the United States. The power is invested in me. I command the rain to stop. And now I'm giving you the future First Lady of the United States. Take pictures of her and you remind me one of these days about her. So I want her to go ahead and draw one. Pick one. Pick one. And the first draw from our beautiful princess. So the seller is H. Grant.
Come see.
The name is Margaret Cypren. The number I have is 214-881-9311. Margaret Cypren. She's won the first prize of the 65-inch flat screen color TV. A round of applause. Is she here? Is she here? Margaret, you know her. So tell her she won the prize and the executives have the raffle ticket. Now I need Mr. Asma. Mr. Ison, where are you? I need you to come and do the second draw for me. Can we give Mr. Ison, an executive member, a round of applause? Is that awesome this afternoon? Sir Anto Tikita, where are you? Sir Anto Tikita, where are you? So the second draw is a weekend result, a weekend getaway result in Tyler, right? Tyler, Texas. Cali, Texas. That will be the second draw. So it's for you and your spouse. And I'm going to call any somebody who doesn't do anything. Oh, okay. Okay. Gentlemen, can I have you, please? Can I have you? A little boy? Yes. Yes. I need a little boy. Future Senator of the state of Texas. Okay? The future Senator of the state of Texas. Okay? So I want you to do the second draw for me. Pick one for me. Okay? Thank you. Those doesn't have the name of the seller. The name that I have is Hajara. Hajara. The phone number is 214-923-1210. Hajara. Hajara, she's won the weekend getaway in Thailand. The third person to draw, what is the price, President? A free round trip to Ghana. A free round trip to Ghana. That's the ultimate prize. The ultimate prize. Do we have the Rajwa Kranchua Duncan? Can you please come over? We want you to take the ultimate prize for us.
Let's find a child from
Okay, it's qualified. It's qualified. It's qualified. Hey, boss. The man in red. Hey. The man in red. Hey. What's your name? Come over. Come over. Show the man in red. Okay. What's your name? What? Nolan, where you from?
Are you here?
Are you from the earth? Or are you from the other place? No. You know the other place? Tell me more. Okay, Nolan will do us the honor by taking the last or the ultimate. So close your eyes and then dip your hand into the bowl. Pick one.
Close your eyes.
Pick one.
Okay, here's the big one.
Yeah, the big one. There's no number, no seller, so this is disqualified. Can I have you, sir? What's your name? Kofi Abazi. Kofi, what's your name? Kofi what? Kofi Banfo. Okay, how old are you? Right, Kofi, I want you to do me the honors. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And dip your hand into the bowl. And pick one. Thank you. Very interesting. So I want it. Trust me, I want it. I want it. I want it.
What?
I want it. Why do you want to see it? I want it. Now, the number is 703, which is my number. 488, which is my number. 0092, which is my number. And then the name is Edwin Pansa. And the seller is Araba Planch and Yofi Planch. So, yeah, Edwin Pansa won a round trip to Ghana. Round of applause. Since Edwin is not here, I will represent Edwin and take the prize. Oh, we know one for Papa. All right, Mr. President, thank you so much for making this day a wonderful day for us. Madam, thank you so much. We appreciate whatever you've done. And to all those who bought tickets and couldn't win, better luck next time. May the Lord be with you all. Thank you.
This is African Media 247, and now we're Arlington, Texas, celebrating the 30 years of Mfantse Mwoko anniversary. Today happens to be September 4th, 2022. Last night, dinner dance fundraising was phenomenal. It was great. Mfantse Mwoko DFW, it's not easy for them to come that far. 30 years anniversary. It's not easy. And now, a picnic at Arlington, Vandergrift Park. We were vice president at Hanoma. What is Mfantse Mwoko? What do they do? Who are they supporting? Who are they trying to help? Earlier when I talked to the president, he was telling us that send it back to your roots. I like that title, send it back to your roots. Anyway, I have Mr. Odum over here, vice president of Mfantse Mwoko. Mr. Odum, this is Mr. Odum, the vice president of Mfantse Mwoko. No, 10 days.
Oye boko.
Mfantse Mwoko be no kayana. And the other me the Osis and the bed. I say, come on, Josie, I say.
I say, and obey Buje Baja, and obey Butu, and today, Yaya Wabro.
Sir, now I know I say, it's a chumukaka.
Masa fancy Casanana Macano, the Miss Antrim says.
Now, Mfantse, you see, or Takradi, your whole, your chichumuma,
your Takrade, your Ewutu, your Gomua, your Aguna.
Okay.
Ha, Aguna for the Swedro for no, Odi Crum for no, Omani Aguna for no.
Okay.
Ha, and a Takrade for no, Ebin Canton no more lie. Maybe you Gomua. Gomua, yes, see you're part of the Swedro name, your friends, and Swedro name a pump for me. Ha, and then Fantacasano or a baby, but you know I can't go.
You know, proposal.
You know, your couple.
Oh, okay.
One for no,
one couple is on me.
Yeah, component, yeah, man, fantasy, but would a camp profile a country Fantacasana, not the brofukre from. Made me pedamica brof, Fantino, pure, me for brofu bien from. Okay. Then I may come me impediment the brof by home. Ha, and then I may Fantana or pure fancy.
Very good. Anyway, yeah, you heard to me happen. African Media 247 and Arlington, Texas, and Mfantse Mwoko 2022. And Vice President Benin Bechukin Komo, a year Casafidi. Anyway, Mfantse Mwoko, when you're 30 years. 30 years journey in net to say.
No, easy. No, easy. Chade. I maybe 15 years in it.
Okay.
Maybe 15 to man, you want to my fine. There is up and downs now. But maybe no, not painful. You can't or born more than but I mean, I'm a session president. You from since 2014. In fact, the Kuno assistant totally. Because time I buy them, the membership was 30. Membership was 30, but say we have 95.
Okay.
Yeah, ntina ya di juma papa ma eku no na yim de me ya ye fidu a ona oba abotua do no so obeye obotua do ma sande nipa nyi medin oyezen.
Okay.
Yeah, nipa ho adwuma yezen papa ma me gyan ma brefit ne da that ye pain na that I'm bibia wa unitia and then running na me kwab me gyan say me sisi cry Mrs. cry am yo entina ma bre yo papa tell o da den so wa mo I as papa ayo what you try what you try no that saw what that saw in fact master man na me hu dem ko my emro wasem na de ye wi bibia no fie de kwezo so im de yetum de ensese yebo de adwuma na ya.
Okay, let's get back on track. Mfantse also by 15 years in it, the journey has been tough. We didn't pay anymore and yet easy. This is my first time I'm supporting and dinner dancing and the fundraising was not bad, it was great. But all the time, how do you select an organization with your donation, fundraising, and such organizations in Ghana?
Okay, this is not the first time. Yeah. You can call a Gomua Homo baby where Miracle the Mekaya Meka. One school, your school dying now yet a Kungwa crowing bit to do. But will be the young president, but those time no young president or Sedono, new room, and now Kuba catching and there. All the pictures brain not more fun what it's a film when you got to do. No, what about you in you're Tonkungwa for the whole from class 1 to class 6. You're Tonkungwa FL school when until yeah, damn, and a baby you could meet in a Methodist church once so when they the mother once over some. We could see school building in Accra. And my hair, you saw me the man once one day. Say, ye by meeting 1 year to my young the Madia, once over to my a circus, also to my merchant. Until and we 20th anniversary near the Martin. And the 30th anniversary or no, or there, yes, another baby. Yeah, you know. The president or Mr. Shen also new chrome new Winiba. Okay. And so call on also who's baby once so charity phobia once or a mobile papa not about two cool name I do to there. On the 80th anniversary, the potato to be seeing you today, you give back to them, they miss my all kind of. Yes, you are quite we hear school at we hear dying, we hear and Kungwana the computers. It's a big project I had seen that I paid a year. I did them fundraising the scene. So, in
Mfantse back home projects and our back home support and Kwana Moyana say even in DFW Hanum supporter. If I'm a member of an organization, I'm expecting say in terms of crisis or in terms of happiness or joy or something, no, I can reach out to my organization, say hey, this is what is going on. Then I can get a support from there. Back home, Kwana Moyana say even the members over here are getting support from.
Oh, the members over here are getting much support. Okay. They get if you are in need, if you are in need, and we know you are in need, you could say that. Until what's the Mwaku, your Wabwa, Yahu, this is kind you there, Yahan Yahwatoyan, and son, Yahwatoyan, and Sunny the Biako. Yet who taught the Yahwatoyan crab, but you will be which na Waha. Yam shedding Pacona, no bachin, Hana, this can coffee. No, your baby can up boy in Pacoram. Mozicano, so my man, oh papa, Unia Bihuka, Moku Injao Mukra. Recently, my film. It was wonderful. Mama, men who cry, my father, because see, mammy. Kua said, Bibi Toa, the Yamshi, the Yamshipa, and I had a bois. Excuse me, say, what you must cross say, pandemic, your baby, Mikai, and I, you must say, now they overshem, them time, you may and we imagine. But more could see the way you imagine overshem. Even saying a pandemic, what you must say. The two contribute to your platform there. Hey, obi ne dan ka etumi de to platform de obi ne ho akyere ntino open ne dan ka obi 20 50 50 20 be 100 no I die da aboa ma wetumi
na me pede me buja de pede be member e organization mu a Kwabena be fado a be me
I pede member si say ye bottom this is 150
150 Ghana cedi
$150
oh okay
$150 to join. You have application forms. You fill the application, and then make sure say when you pay 5 wo kunuma we very good members. Not the one shadow. A chine was you approve wa afia my membership forms nankasa. Ohona do beneficiaries o ma me o papa obi opede se be no ho kan ye boa no you have to put that name on it so that if I no ho kan ye kohwe forms no de ho de o yi person mesina it didn't shadow there so no more can one no then yeah that boy we have 2 forms to fill, the application forms and the membership form. Okay. 150 and then $10 per month na year.
Very good. Vice President of Mfantse, what should we expect from you years ahead of this organization?
Okay, years ahead of this organization, yes, always more than the Mboa, Majumana, then Akodo. Saving go academy president Mboa, and yeah, the Jumano Accord because Nipa Yakoyenim, to choose the member mayor, I'll sacrifice and do it.
Very good. So finally, there's some other catcher at the phone for number hanging.
You at the phone for mobile, ever born one phantom woko, yet I must be brave, a ton suffer mobile. Mobile and Mboa man, Yamina Akodo. Yet I must be Lemon say, Metro Pace ha, then you could be at the Hojana. Nya sorry be a qua, Bomodin there, do Hobeshe, a sorry beam and a kubim, a bit to wa, Nipa, what the yard, will to my Boboa. One could send into me, ye more, ye, or whom they be on ma, no ton, over to my ye, but in your big boa, my home ye how. Yeah, and to know. Be my kind there for whom bo ebi enyanku kura na de ho bobo na nyanku bi botumi aboa nti nyanku bia nyanku bia so na oye nyanku papa o de hwe ni hu ku papa oye asor papa oye na de ho akodwen na o kina bi bibi ni a wa aboa
What's some?
Wenyi yipa.
What's some?
Wenyi yipa.
What's some?
Wenyi yipa.
Medasi bebre. African Media 247. That was the Vice President of Mfantse Dfw, Mr. Odum. My name is Roya Kane. Stick and stay with African Media 247. I'll be right back.
Therefore, where the other mass papa, and the Jumadie, baby, a Friday, Bremo, mobile subscribe to African Media 247. The beer would see any beer and Bomodia and me a bell. So now, anytime I'm doing better, no, much ye and near Marcus, Siacasia, Omodi brain.
African Media 247.